Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you some simple home remedies that you can use to erectile dysfunction. These remedies are all natural and easy to follow, so stick around and I'll show them to you right now. When you're living with erectile dysfunction, ED, you'll consider doing just about anything to get your sex life back on track. Eating roots like ginseng fine, drinking special juices like pomegranate tasty, even becoming a human pincushion for a treatment like acupuncture, bring it on. But do any of these things really work? Eric Laborde, MD, a spokesman for the American Urological Association, is skeptical. There is a huge placebo effect with erectile dysfunction, he says. I could give you anything and tell you it'll work, and it will in the short term. For that reason, he says, what little studies that have been done on herbal remedies are less than convincing. On the other hand, Gio Espinoza, director of the Integrative Urological Center at NYU Langone Medical Center, says there are some natural alternatives to popular ED medicines. Take them with your doctors, okay, and they can help you get and keep an erection. It's not like you go into the forest and just eat a leaf, he says. You don't take them right before sex, but there are real natural approaches that work by building up sexual health over time. Acupuncture. This traditional Chinese needle therapy is said to boost blood flow. It's most often used to treat chronic headaches and back pain, but some men have found it works for erectile dysfunction. While some studies back up acupuncture's claim to work for ED, the evidence is rather scant. Arginine. It's found naturally in food, and it relaxes blood vessels and is used to treat heart problems. Doctors think it boosts circulation to the penis, but Espinoza says he doesn't recommend it much because the body metabolizes it so quickly. You need a lot and you need to take it frequently for it to work. Horny goatweed. Extracts from the leaves of this herb have long been used as an ED remedy in traditional Chinese medicine. At least one study on rats showed promise, but it has yet to be tested on people. Espinoza says the herb generally boosts energy, and he recommends it more to balance out your whole body as opposed to targeting ED. It has been linked to low blood pressure. Pomegranate. Juice and extract from this fruit is known for being packed with nutrients, but Espinoza says it can also help arteries expand and remain supple. While no real proof ties it to erectile dysfunction, he suggests it to his patients for its overall health benefits. Rhodiola rosea, also known as golden root. This plant is a relatively new herbal remedy in the U.S. It's been used to boost endurance and sexual function in Russian folk medicine for decades. Espinoza says it can ease symptoms of exhaustion and ED, and it's less likely to leave you feeling wired than some other products. The side effects are minimal, he says, both in his experience and in the studies he's seen. Yohimbe. For years the bark from this African tree was a go-to supplement for ED. Some clinical trials have shown improvement for people who have sexual problems due to depression meds.